seem to like my sister so much.
I'm sorry I haven't said this to you, and this is going to be my first time to say it to you. I'm interested in your sister, and something tells me she's going to be my wife.
Sorry. Do you want to get married to a blind girl? That's strange.
What's strange about that?
I mean, look at you. You're handsome, fresh, you're rich. Why would you want to marry a blind girl? I hope you're not trying to take advantage of her, sir.
Come on, no. Gona, no. That's far from that. Listen, I understand your fears and your concerns due to the times we live in. But I don't have any bad intention towards your sister. Listen, honestly speaking, right? What I feel for her is very genuine. I care about her so much. I want to protect her. I want to be her best friend. I want to take care of her. And please, Ugonna, I want you to give me the chance to do that.
Well, with everything you've been doing for us ever since we met you, shows you're a kind-hearted man. And please, keep to your promise.
Ugonna, listen, I promise you, I'll do my best. I'll take care of her, good care of her. And thank you so much for your level of maturity. It means a lot to me. Alright?
Thank you too.
You're welcome.
Let me escort you to your car.
That's fine. So, we got talking and she told me.
Is he gone?
Yes. I was actually listening to your conversation with him, and why did you lie to him about how you lost your sight?
Go. You know, my story is such an unpleasant one. It is not everyone you should tell about your past, especially when it's such an unpleasant story like mine.
It's okay. You seem to have fallen in love with him, like...
Hey, you think so?
Yes. I know when a woman is deeply in love with a man. Remember, I love Amara so much, and I know how this whole thing works.
Hey. What do you think? Are you in support?
You know, I'll support you 100% in everything you do in this life. I love you. It's one name.
I love you too, Ugo.
Come here.
Okay. Yeah. Well, my instinct tells me to go ahead.
Already?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm here for you. Everything you want, I'll do. As long as it makes you happy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, let's go in.
Okay.
Here.
God, where are you? Chimnebekino. Life is so harsh on me. Oh.
So, how are you doing, Sister Uju?
I'm bubbling by the special grace of God.
I can see that.
My brother will not cease talking about you. Aye. Yes, so he talks about you each time he wakes up in the morning, and whenever he wants to sleep at night, he talks about you. Hey, love.
That's so sweet, really.
I know.
By the way, where is he? Is he at home?
He's gone to work on people's farms.
Oh,
As usual.
as usual. Okay.
Such a hard-working young man.
So hardworking, and it's going to pay off someday.
Amen, oh. Amen.
So I was on my way to the house to help out with the house chores, and I was also wondering if you have dirty clothes that needs washing.
Hey, Amara. Munye nwanne m nwoke. Don't bother yourself, not to worry. You know my brother does virtually everything for me.
No, it's no bother at all. It's no stress. In fact, I'm glad helping him. Okay, so just allow me do this. I'm not complaining.
You say so.
I say so.
My brother told me about your mother. Listen, Amara. You don't have to hate your mother, okay? She's only trying to protect you.
No, she's not. She's just being wicked and unreasonable. I mean, there's no one in this village who doesn't know about Ugonna and I. I don't know why my mom won't just accept it and let us be together.
Amara, she's your mother. And she knows the best.
No, she doesn't. I hate her so much.
Amara!
Sometimes I just wish I was not...
Stop it, Amara. You don't talk about your mother like that. Don't use such a word on your mother. See, listen to me. Don't ever denounce your mother publicly simply because of a man. Let me be very honest with you. If my brother denounces my family because of a woman, I will be so mad at him. Very, very mad at him. Listen to me. If your chi says that you and my brother will be together, trust me, it will surely happen. It will only take time. My brother will make money and come and marry you. Don't ever regret being born by your mother or publicly denouncing because of a man. Hey, Mbano, Amara, Odiroma at all. Don't ever say a thing like that again. Inugia.
Okay, I've heard you, Sister Uju. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about the way I spoke. I was just upset. Okay, I love your brother so much, and I can't imagine spending the rest of my life without him.
And Ugonna loves you too. He loves you. Not to worry, everything will be fine. I can't wait for you to become my sister-in-law. Just keep praying for him so that he can make money and come and marry you. You know, go.
Thank you so much.
Imagine the steps of love.
Hope she likes it.
Hopefully.
How do I look?
Oh my God. Sis, you look... you're so beautiful. And the dress looks awesome on you.
Thank you. I hope you are not exaggerating.
No, he's not. You actually look gorgeous in that dress. And sometimes I ask myself, why should a girl as beautiful as you are walk around blind? I have lots of questions to ask God.
In other words, the dress fits, right?
You look absolutely beautiful. Right.
Thank you.
I think I should take you on a date. What do you think? Are you going to let me do that?
As long as you're going to take care of her.
Of course I am going to take care of her.
Ugo, please help me pack the other clothes he bought into my bag. When I come back, I will try them on.
Alright.
Here you go. Yes. So funny. This should be enough to buy you.
Hey! Oh, give me all this money for me. Thank you so much.
No, it's okay. Get up. Shall we?
I'm ready.
Right. That reminds me. I think it is time for me to see your uncles. What do you think?
You ready for that?
Absolutely. I am ready. Jika, what do you think? Are you ready for that?
I'm ready.
Right. Alright, let's go.
Thank you so much for the shoes and the clothes. God bless you so much.
You're welcome.
Longi, emeregi eme. Onyo biojo, emeregi eme. Sosa na juru yobi, emeregi eme. Echiche ya niile bụ ihe ọjọọ, emeregi eme. Nwaneke nuko si ya gị ije, emeregi eme. Emeregi eme o, emeregi eme. Loja singi kpachara anya gị, emeregi eme.
Mkpụrụ onye kụrụ ya ka ọ ga-aghọrọ, ị na-anụ ya. Ajọ ndụ ajọka, zelu ya. Whatever you sow, that you must reap. Ajọ ndụ ajọka, zelu ya. Maka na ụkpala okpoko gburu n'ọkwa ntị chiri ya. Ajọ ndụ ajọka, zelu ya.
Thank you for the clothes and the shoes. God bless you.
Please watch. Easy. Yep. Careful.
Let me help you hold your stick.
No, it's okay.
Don't worry.
I'll take care of it.
Please take care of her.
That's fine.
I'll buy something on my way back.
Alright, sis. Take care.
Kai! What nonsense? Eh? What's in the puff that boy head? Good now to want to go. Good now, I've messed up. Good now, get mine. Go block that water engineer. Go block my view. Good now, get mine. Block my view. I'll fuck that boy up. I go fuck that boy up, guy. You go see him. All you have. He knows you cannot shoot him. That's why he did that rubbish.
Yes.
Nampire, I'm with this guy now, quiet, but seriously, deal with him very, very well. But I go suggest now me track this engineer now. I'll go to one shot. Let I go. One shot.
Onye mbu dịka ore, onye mbu. Mugu. Make I track engineer. Knock him one shot. Now when he deal with my babe, what if I misfire Mugu? What if I misfire?
No suggestion.
You dey Nuki won't case Sam Moses. But I say you use your beer the thing. Big.
I love him.
The only person I need to deal with now is Ugonna. Yes.
I follow now.
That boy had to want to go and get jail.
We gotta get him.
What to want to go and get jail now? Go plug that boy on A. Jones. You got photo that boy. Good night, you make go happy. I'm going to HK.
Longi, emeregi eme. Onyo biojo, emeregi eme.
Hey, come down. Let me search what's inside your bag. Come this way. Let me start from your pocket. Are all these phones yours? Hope they're not stolen phones. What's in this your bag? Okay. It's clean? I think it's clean. You can
go inside.
Hey you, step down with that bag. What's in your bag? Move, let him search your bag.
Come here, young man. Let me see what's in your bag.
Open that bag.
It's my clothes. I went to buy clothes, sir.
You went to buy clothes? All these clothes are yours?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
What am I seeing here? Jesus, what's this?
What's that? A gun.
Young man, who are you?
I am Ugonna.
Who are you?
What are you doing with a gun?
You're a criminal.
I'm not a
What are you doing with a gun?
I don't know.
What are you doing with a gun?
I don't know, sir.
Go down with a gun. Go down. What are you doing with a gun?
I'm not a criminal.
Welcome.
How do you know it was me?
I know.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
You okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Where's Ugonna?
Oh, he's gone to the market to buy the clothes and shoes you gave him money for. You needed to hear the excitement in his voice.
That's nice. How have you been? You okay?
I'm very well, thank you. I told him to use keke and not trek because he's used to trekking. He likes to suffer.
Hey! Ujuka! Hey!
That's Amadi's voice. Amadi, okay?
Ujuka! Hey! Something has happened, oh. Something has happened to Ogonna, your brother. What? Who did Ogonna offend?
What happened to him?
Who did Ogonna offend? Who did he offend?
What happened?
Something very bad. Very, very bad.
Something very bad?
Yes.
Did I hear
How
you
bad?
say? Did I hear you say Ugo one name?
Oh, yes, yes.
Where is he?
At the village.
Amadi, take me to my brother.
Let's go.
Take me to him now.
What happened to him?
Take me to go.
Careful.
At the village square.
What happened?
Where? Let's
Square.
What happened? Wait.
What's that to go? The deed has been done. The deed has been done. What to put us?
You're not talking about
Tell me now. What's on now?
listen, come just here because you know I actually saw him being beaten up by the vigilantes. Yes.
From
Eva Kongwa.
So Ejidelia.
Eva Kongwa.
Ejidelia.
One day, Emogida watch it here, Wakasimba.
You see? Now, I know that these vigilant boys no get joy. None of their sisters name is joy.
But that's a joy too.
After mending him, before he will stand on his two left legs again. That's the punishment he gets. Trying to block me from killing that bastard.
Imagine, he's now being tagged as the newest criminal in town. Newest criminal in town.
You know what? At least the vigilantes will remove their eyes on us. You understand what I'm saying?
Fuck up a line. I now operate on a very smooth sailing.
Now what for you?
You know what? One
I love him.
Ugo! Where is he? Ugo!
Life is so harsh on me.
Ugo!
So painful.
What happened to Ugo? Ugo, wake up!
Where are you?
What happened? Ugo!
Life is harsh on
Let's take her out.
ejumanya aneji ahụ salala God of the poor bia ọkwa gị ka m na-akpọ Chineke nọkwa ya answer me oh Lord ụwa nke m dịzi iche onye ka m jizi aka oh God here am I answer I'm so tired of life.
How does it feel to be a criminal? How does it feel? Huh? Madam, officer, move! This guy is going to escape.
Don't worry.
He's a gang leader. Do you know that? The hardened one. I thought you were above the law. Huh? I thought you were above the law. Officer, this guy is going to escape.
God, where are you? Life is so hard.
Juka, why are you still crying? I thought you promised to stop crying. Why don't you let God take control? Please.
How am I supposed to stop crying? How do you expect me to stop crying when the only thing I have has been snatched from me? Our parents died when he was just 12. And since then, he's been the one taking care of me. My brother denied himself the pleasures of adolescence and wore the heart of adulthood just to take care of me. Ugowanim became responsible at an early stage. My brother could starve just to see me eat. Most nights, I hear him cry to God to restore my sight. I wished to see how grown he had become. I wished to give him a better life that fate had denied him. But how? How am I supposed to do all of those again? God, did God see how good my brother was? Did he see all his good deeds? Why did he take my brother away from me? Why did he let me do all of the things I had planned? Why?
Ujuka, I understand how you feel. I feel terrible myself. And I'm heartbroken to see your tears. But you need to pull yourself together and trust God to comfort you. Please.
They said they saw a gun in his bag. My brother is not a criminal. Ugo's name is not a criminal. Ugo's name cannot hurt a fly. Ugo's name is such a peaceful human. Everyone in this community knows how hardworking he is.
Of course. Of course.
He works on people's farms with all his heart.
Listen, Uju.
Yet they label my brother a criminal. Why did they think of this before stoning an innocent man? Ugo is hardworking and Ugo is not a criminal.
Uju, I strongly believe someone is behind all of these. The police, the vigilante group, they must explain to us why jungle justice was allowed on a boy who was innocent and had nothing to do with the gun found in his bag. They have a lot of explanation to do.
Yes, and it is not far from Longinus. It is clearly his hard work. It is clearly his making.
Exactly.
It is Longinus.
Yes.
I put it to him that he's the one behind
Ujuka,
this.
speaking about Longinus, he's in police custody right now. I got him arrested. He must pay for his mistakes. I promise you.
I feel like ending my life. I feel like killing myself.
You can't kill yourself. Listen, I'll protect you. I promise to do that.
Please stop promising. Stop promising. Stop promising. You promised to be there for my brother and I. Why did you let them kill him?
I'm sorry.
Stop making promises.
It wasn't my fault. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But you need to pull yourself together. Okay? Pull yourself together. Let God take control. Please. You can't keep crying for the rest of your life. Everything is going to be okay. I understand how you feel. But you need to give yourself some peace of mind.
Oh God, where are you? Chimnebekino. Life is so harsh on me. So painful. So painful. She won't win in fire. Oh God, where are you? Life is harsh on me.
Eh? Is that tears in your eyes?
Ogini. Ma, Ugo is dead. Ugo, my man, is dead.
Mama, is that why you are crying? Eh? Is that why you are crying? You should be thanking your Chi that you didn't end up
marrying that criminal. Yes, you should be grateful to them. They saved your life. Guinea Messi. The news of his death is everywhere in the village. I'm aware of it. Guinea Eme. I've always known there's something bad about that boy each time I see him. My instincts never lie to me. Acha.
Ugo was not a criminal. I can vouch for him with my life. Ugo was not a criminal.
Shut up before you get yourself killed. I can't vouch for him. Your own life. Amacho, I have always known that you have a dull brain. Otherwise, there is no way you, Amarachi, wouldn't have discovered that boy, capital criminal that operates with a gun. No jab and jet. But I don't want to understand that you are blinded by love. I don't want to understand.
I wasn't blinded by any love. I wasn't blinded by love. Ugo was innocent. He was wrongly accused for what he did not do. You're saying all this because you don't know him. I know him so well. The man I fell in love with was not a criminal. He was not a criminal.
Hey. Amachi, go afere roba keji rigo. Afere roba. Kada boy juwe. If not, he are not here. Yeah. Better get off from there and go fetch me water before I brew my own. But I didn't see.
Breaks my heart even more. Please.
Ugo now one name. Ugo one name was a very young and peaceful man. He's never stolen a pin and will never steal a pin from anyone. Now history remembers my brother as a thief.
It's okay. It will never be well with those that plotted his death. I know the man I fell in love with, and I know he was never a criminal. Why is life so unfair to good people? Why is life so unfair that Uguna's chi couldn't keep him for you, for us?
I have asked my chi several questions, yet none has been answered. Ugo one name is the only thing my late parents left behind for me. He's the only person, the only thing, the only human, everything. He was everything to me. Who have I offended?
It's okay. Please, stop crying. It's okay.
I'm so lonely.
You won't be lonely, okay? You won't be lonely. Ugonna will always be around you. You always see Ugonna through me. Please stop crying. I promise you won't lack anything. It's a promise. I will always be here for you whenever you need me. Stop crying. Please stop crying.
I don't understand. Why was he released? That young man should carry the weight of the law.
They say there's no evidence linking him to the gun that was discovered in Ugona's bag.
That's complete rubbish. How can they say that? How can they say that? He is known in this village as a very notorious person. We all know him. Everyone knows him. He carries guns.
The vigilante, the police, even the Igwe, they all know the truth. But the thing is that they are all afraid of him. Come to think of it, there's no how the cults will convince him for a gun that he was never around when it was discovered. My brother, they all planned and carried out everything without a trace.
Honestly, this is unacceptable. And I'll ensure Ugona gets justice.
I pray so. I pray so.
Lonji, 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 emereki eme. Onyo biojo, emereki eme. So sarura na juru yobi, emereki eme. Echiche ya nine bi hojo, emereki eme. Wanekeno nuko si agije, emereki eme. Emereki eme o, emereki eme. Loja singi pacharanyagi, emereki eme.
Why would they kill this boy? Why? I mean, for what? Eh? Can this boy man now? Why? Eh? I mean, since when? It has never been heard of that vigilante boys beat somebody to death. Who may be before now? Why I get you do this rubbish with this boy? Why? Why now? Eh? Hi. Oh, see, this is no good though. This is jungle justice.
Exactly. I don't understand what our vigilantes are turning into. Eh? And I'm scared.
Hi. Okay, now see, Ujuka will be heartbroken. Chai. Guy, it was never my intention. I told you now. I can't go on. Yes, it was never my intention to kill this boy. I just wanted to punish him. I just talk treat for being overprotective of this old torture chain. That was all I want to do. I can't believe this boy is dead, though. I cannot. No, be a bally good guy.
Longinus swore he would make my life a living hell on earth. He finally won.
No. That's impossible. He can't win. Ujuka, listen, I intend to get some policemen from the city to take control of the situation. So you have nothing to worry about. He will pay for his mistakes, I promise you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the way I spoke to you the other day. I was saddened. I was sad and frustrated.
It's okay. You don't have to apologize. I understand how you feel. And it's very normal to feel that way. So not to worry, everything is going to be alright. Okay? Besides, I have something important to tell you.
Okay.
So, I met with a doctor friend of mine, an eye doctor actually, a good one at that. And I told him about your condition. He wants to see you. He asked a few questions, and one of them was if you were born blind, and I said no. And he talked about surgery, an eye surgery. Yes.
Surgery?
Yes, he talked about an eye surgery to help you regain your sight. Are you nervous?
Yes, I am nervous.
He's a very good eye doctor.
The last time I heard from him was last week.
Really?
Yes.
That's nice. I can see someone is glowing again. It's really good to see you happy again. Honestly.
Thank you.
What are you doing? Eh? I said, what are you doing here?
Mom, I'm just... Mama Amara, good morning, ma.
Hey! Hold it! I don't want your greetings. Because there's nothing good will ever come from a blind bat like you. And you, Mama, go home. Go home now, Mama. Go home, my son. Hey, I'm not your mother. Go home. Stay far away from my daughter. Far away from her.
Mama Amara, please, I was the one who pleaded with her to come help me wash these clothes.
You want blind bats? Get, because I know you cannot see me. So get your phone of my. I know this your ear functions very well. So get. If I see you close to my daughter again, you know like what I'm doing. Yes, your brother is dead. He is dead and gone. I see no reason you should allow her to this company. Stay away. You will not like what I will do to you next time. Stay clear. Last warning. Nonsense.
So much pain, agony, sorrow and heaviness. I am helpless.
Amarachu, do you know that you are very stupid? Amarachu, you are very, very stupid and foolish at the same time. What took you to that house again? I'm asking you.
I was only going there to assist the blind girl who just lost her brother who was a helper.
Oh, you have turned to a helper. Amarachu, the great helper. That's your new name.
Mama, sometimes you speak without compassion. The girl is blind and she can barely do things on her own. I made her a promise to fill the gap her brother left behind by always being there for her. Why are you finding it so difficult to understand? Why?
Chelo, made her a promise to fill the gap. Which gap? Did you listen to yourself? Ini Edo, don't you know that going to that house will limit your chances of getting married to a good and rich man? If I see you in that compound again, if I see you in that compound again, Amarachuku, you cease to be my daughter.
Yes.
Mama, don't mama me. Don't mama also. Because I mean what I said, and I said what I mean. Simple.
Has it gotten to that, Mama?
Yes. It has gotten to that.
Are you okay?
I'm trying to.
I'll be going to the city to buy some building materials for my work. I'll be leaving this weekend.
You are leaving me for the city. How am I supposed to be here all alone? You are leaving me to get devoured by that beast.
You know,
I will be vulnerable. Please don't leave me.
I won't be gone for long. But do you know anyone you can trust to be with you until I return?
No. My brother was the only human I trusted. I do not have...
Your brother is gone now.
Yes, he's gone, and you know it. I don't have any other person to trust. Please don't leave me. Please.
You have to find someone else to stay with you until I return.
I don't have anybody. I don't have anybody I can trust.
I understand, but I am not gone for too long. I'll be back before you know it. I just have to buy some work materials.
Oh, baby! Welcome.
Hey. What are you doing here?
I came to spend the weekend with you.
You came to do what?
Spend the weekend with you.
You came to spend the weekend with me?
Yes.
Who did you call before coming here? Who did you call before coming to my house?
I tried calling you, but to no avail.
You tried to call me?
Yes.
Tina, I told you I had some projects to take care of, right? Listen, I just came to rest and I'm back there tomorrow morning.
I mean, you mean you're not spending the weekend with me?
I just said I came home to rest and I'm going back first thing tomorrow morning. Please, I need to take a shower.
Okay, I'll just make you a meal.
What did you say? You do what?
Make you a meal.
Did I tell you I was hungry? Did I tell you I was hungry? Please leave my house. First thing in the morning.
What's wrong with him?